People normally say that isiNdebele is difficult because of the clicks. But when they say that, I'm thinking, wait till you hear the Xhosa clicks. Because Xhosa uses much more clicks than isiNdebele, right? So if you're a beginner learning isiNdebele, don't even be intimidated, okay? Ndebele clicks are clicks light. Xhosa clicks, clicks pro. Right, let me show you what I mean by that. So don't get me wrong, it's the same clicks, it's the same cars and cars, ka, and it same, but Xhosa gets to use them in more verbs, such that you can hear, here is a typical sentence, a Xhosa sentence, then you'll hear, compare it with the Ndebele equivalent, right? Uxoliswa ubenxilile izolo engasagqadazeli ndiyakuxelela. Uxoliswa ubedakiwe izolo ubetatarika ngiyakutshela. So isiXhosa has got more verbs or more everyday verbs that have the qas and the khas and the nqas and the qas and the qas, the was. They are more. We use them more. All right. So, for example, in the example that I just gave you, ukunxila, it means ukudakwa in Ndebele, to be drunk. All right. Uxoliswa ubenxilile. Uxoliswa ubedakiwe. Uxoliswa was drunk. All right. So Ndebele is only clicking there because the name of the person has a click. Otherwise, if it was Sandile, you would say uSandile ubedakiwe. Angithi uSandile ubenxilile in Xhosa. Right? Even the name of the language itself, it had to be Xhosa. Right? So yeah, that's one verb. Another one would be ndiyakuxelela. I'm telling you. In Ndebele, you say ngiyakutshela. You see the difference? Ndiyakuxelela. Right. If you want to talk about hurrying up, yes, Xhosa, you're going to say nxamisa. Hurry up. Nxamisa. Or ndinxamile. I am in a hurry. Yes, in Ndebele, ngijahile. That's how you say I'm in a hurry. All right. So anytime someone is talking about being in a hurry in Xhosa, you are going to keep hearing the click. Ndinxamile. Andisangxamanga. Right? Yes, in Ndebele, ngijahile. Right. There's more verbs. There's ukuqhela. It means to get used to someone. In isiNdebele, we say ukujayela. All right. For example, people like to say ungandiqheli. In isiNdebele, ungangijayeli. Don't get too used to me. Okay? Ungandiqheli. Andifuni uqhelwa. Angifuni ukujayelwa. All right? Lo mntwana uyagcwala. Umntwana lo uyaklabalala. This child is screaming. Okay, isiXhosa uyagcwala. So each time we're talking about someone screaming, the gwa there, the gwa is going to keep coming up. All right. And then in Xhosa, if you want to talk about supporting, giving support, sithi thina uxhasa. Uzibani undixhasile andithi khawundixhase, could you support me? isiNdebele ngicela ungisekele, because it's ukusekela ngesiNdebele. Angithi ukuxhasa ngesiXhosa, ukusekela ngesiNdebele. All right. Then we also have things like when you want to talk about being thirsty ngesiXhosa, ndinxaniwe. Andisanxanwanga. ngesiNdebele ngiwomile. Ngiwomile njani? Right? So no click on the Ndebele side. But ngesiXhosa ndinxaniwe. Ngiyakutshela, I'm telling you. In Ndebele, ngesiXhosa uzawuthini? Ndiyakuxelela. Okay, so if you're a Ndebele learner, don't even be intimidated by the clicks. Ndebele uses them, but not as much. Okay, so you can definitely learn them.